Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of AUD CAD, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of AUD CAD, and as you can see, I'm in my favorite 4 hours time frame. Okay, so at first let's do the analysis part. So if we look at the chart, okay, if we just look at the chart, then we can easily see that unlike GBP USD or Euro USD, this market is in downtrend. Okay, and there is no doubt about it that market had some heavy selling pressure, and yes, market is in clean downtrend. Okay, means this market is being dominated by the sellers. Okay, and we can see that, okay, whenever market was trying to go up, it was getting resistance from the 50 moving average. Okay, and apart from the 50 moving average, we can also draw a trend line. Okay, and we can see that market had dual, okay, sorry, market had dual resistance. Okay, so 50 moving average and the trend line. Okay, so whenever market was going up, it was getting resistance from above and market was reversing. And generally this kind of market are known as sell on rise market, and sell on rise market are pretty easier to trade in comparison to sideways market or range bound market, because as I always say, trending markets are easier to trade. Okay, you just need to find the area of value and then just act accordingly. And frankly, if you have watched my previous video, then hopefully you have also made money on AUDCAD pair when I recommended sell at this particular price level and at this particular price level. Anyways, okay, so if I zoom in the chart, if I zoom in the chart and tell you to just concentrate on this particular portion now. Okay, forget about the downtrend, forget about the sell on rise and whatever I have said. Okay, just forget about it and just focus on this particular portion. Do you still think that market is in uptrend? No. In fact, we can see that market is in a range right now. Okay, market is in a range, and rather bulls are trying to take the price market upward. Overall, okay, overall the trend is towards the upside, no doubt about it. Okay, sorry, overall the trend is towards the downside, sorry. Overall the market is in downtrend, there is no doubt about it, but right now we can see that market is in sideways. The market is in sideways, and in on sale on rise market or in downtrend market, mainly we should look for shorting opportunities. We all know it pretty well. But in a sideways market, okay, in a sideways market, we can look for shorting opportunities as well as buying opportunities, because sideways market means market has no trend. It's not it. Therefore, we can see that I have two levels here: 0.9408 on the upside and 0.9258 on the downside. Okay, and before discussing the strategy part, I would like to take you to the weekly chart once, and let me show you, okay, why this level is important. Okay, dear friends, this is the weekly chart, and if you have watched any of my previous videos, then you know it pretty well that I'm a fan of multi-time frame analysis, and I'm a fan of the weekly chart as well. So in the weekly chart, we can see that yes, market is in downtrend since the third week of Feb. Okay, market is coming down, and remember, if you remember correctly, then I told you, okay, I told you that market will bounce from this particular level, because market has got support on the weekly chart. As we all know, weekly chart belongs to the big boys, the big players, the players who decide the direction of the market, and that's why I told you earlier that yes, market will bounce from this particular level, and I recommended a buy at this level. And as expected, took support uh, market took support at this level and market bounced. Okay, so let's switch to the 4 hours time frame and let's see what should be a strategy. So one thing is very clear to us, that this black line, okay, or this support is extremely important for us right now, because see, this is the support, this is the price level that that did not allow the market to go down further, because this support belongs to the weekly chart. Therefore, in case you get market at this price level and you see some price rejection from below, okay, in case market comes down to this particular price level, okay, after the market opening on Monday, in case you find market at this price level, okay, then just observe the price and see how the price is reacting. Okay, in case you see that market has taken support and about to bounce, or if you see some price rejection from below or a hammer kind of a pattern, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, no doubt that sellers are there in the market, but this support belongs to the weekly chart, and yes, bulls are sitting at this price level and they will not allow the price to go down, and you can go for buy order. Okay, so this is your first trading opportunity on the AUDCAD chart. Secondly, secondly, okay, you'll have to wait for the market. Okay, you'll have to wait for the market to reach this particular price level. Okay, as market has bounced for a weekly chart, okay, so therefore for me, or according to me, the second best trading opportunity will be if market crosses this level, then you'll get a good buy order. So in case you see market, okay, crossing this price level, do not buy right away. Wait for at least 4 to 6 hours and just try to observe the price, try to read the market emotion, try to understand the market psychology. Because see, no doubt market has crossed this level, but do you remember that overall the trend of the market is towards the downside. Therefore confirmation is important. So wait for 4 to 6 hours, and after 4 to 6 hours, if you see that price is trading comfortably, price is not struggling, market is doing great, okay, then you'll get the confirmation that the resistance has become the support now, and you can go for buy order. So this is your second trading opportunity. Second trading opportunity. On the other hand, if market opens on Monday and goes up and reverses from this price level, okay, then if you want to short the market, if you want to take some risk, then you can short the market. But if you are a beginner, you are still learning, okay, then do not trade. Okay, because see, there right now market is trying to go up, we are not sure. Okay, so only the two trading possibilities that I have mentioned, only follow those only. If you are an experienced trader, you can do a scalping and all, okay, then you can short the market if market reverses from this particular price level. Okay, otherwise do not short the market, only wait for the market to come cross this level or come down to the support level so that you can buy. Okay, and you should not trade in the middle, because this is your no trading zone. As I always say in my videos, do not chase the market, let the price come to you. Because if you trade in the middle, then your risk to reward ratio does not match. And as a trader, you should never ever compromise with the trading discipline. Okay, so do not trade in the middle, let the price come to you. That's it. So hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you on Monday.